Do you know what is this? You probably think it's a potato, or it's not. It's the roots of a ZZ plant, which is I have propagated from leaves. If you like to see how I did that, watch the full video. So this is the result of the growing the ZZ plant from the leaves. As you can see, the shoots are coming out. It's very healthy and strong. So guys, this is the end result after a few months. You can see the ZZ plants are growing very big. Some of them was inside the room have grown less. Those one was outside grown more, but it was under the shade. So guys, you can see now the result after a few months. The ZZ plants are grown from the leaves. Those one was outside growing much better, like this one. But these are ones mostly was inside. So I put them under the shade outside, and it's growing better outside. This was like the first leaf we grown the ZZ plant from that. You can see them, for example, here also. This was the first leaf was grown from here. You can see this was the first leaf was grown from. Similarly, this one here, this is the first leaves, or this one you can see here. This is the leaves was grown, and you can see actually the root. But then this is the plant came out from this. So I guess this is one of the best way to propagate many plants from the same plant, because you need just the leaf itself to propagate the plant from. I have tried it with the ZZ plant. I'm going to try it now with other plants too. Look at the roots, how beautiful it is. It's have got a strange shape. Today we are going to plant the ZZ plants, we have propagated from the leaves. You can see the leaves here. It's been quite time, but they grown very well. These are is taller. It was outside. So we're going to take it out, and you can see the roots, and plant it in a pot, and add some fresh soil, potting soil to it. And later on water it. And this is how you can propagate many plants from just the leaves. So thank you for watching, and see you in another video.